Why should we learn English? Can I not go without it? If the same question is in your mind, then I guarantee you today's video is very helpful for you. Because in this video I gonna highlight some important points about English that will help you to understand that why should we learn English. Okay. So hello everyone, I am SK Srivastav and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Education Hub Sitamarhi. And if you have visited over here at first time, then please like this video and subscribe my channel to get all kinds of notification. Okay, my friends, if you want to know that why should we learn English, then please don't skip this video and stay with me till the end, because at the end of this video I will tell you some of my courses which will help you a lot to understand English, in which some of them would be based on communication skill and some of them would be based on grammar as well. Okay, now my first point is that, and I think you must have know about it, that English is spoken in all over the world. Only English is the medium by which one nation can interact with other nation. One nation can communicate with other nation. And in today's life, most of us often have to go abroad, whether it is for working, for traveling, or any other purpose. And if you want to communicate with them, if you want to interact with them, and if you speak Hindi there, then you can't communicate with them, because the people they live in abroad, they are not able to speak in Hindi, they are not able to understand Hindi. That's why English is very necessary to learn, because of which you can interact with them, you can communicate with them. This is the first reason behind it, that why should we learn English. Okay. And my second point is that if you are the students, whether college going or academic, first of all I will talk about if you are the student of academic, then how you can say like that English is very important. You know very well about it. In your school, a lots of functions are organized by the principal and teachers and all the students, and these kinds of activities are only done in English. And if you get a chance to speak on the stage in front of all the people, and if you don't know how to speak in English, then you can't speak, you can't say something, you can't share your opinion, you can't share your ideas with them. Understood? And if you are the students of class 12th, then it is very important to know, to all of you guys, you are college going student, then you must have known that many good books are only written in English language, and without knowing it, you can't understand that book. And I think in many sectors the result of Hindi medium is not good. You can see in class 12th, and I think I am telling you, I am asking a question to you. If you are a student and you are studying in class 12th, then you must have asked a question to your senior that which medium will be better for me, Hindi or English. Then I guarantee you, he will tell you that English medium is very important for you, because the students of English medium have gotten top rank in Bihar, good marks in their subjects, but the students of Hindi medium could not do that. Understood? That is why you should learn English, and this is the second reason behind it, that why should you learn English. Okay. And my third point is that if you go for a job interview, then you must have know about this language, because you have to speak in English there. You have to express anything in English there. And if you don't know how to speak in English, then you can't speak anything. You can't introduce yourself in front of them, and you can't get a job in that company. If you don't know how to speak in English, then you can't get a good job in any big companies. That is why I am telling you, English is very, very important to learn. Understood? And at the last, I am telling you, if you want to speak in English, then you must have joined my new batch of spoken English, and I think it is going to start. And if you want to learn with me with the help of online, then please subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you have any doubt, then please go to the comment box and do comment, because your comments inspire me for making the videos for you. Okay, now we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.